In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a message in Slack without starting a new thread. Sometimes you might want to respond to a message directly in a channel or a direct message without creating a separate thread, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Slack workspace account. So go ahead and open your Slack application or navigate to the Slack website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your workspace where you can see all your channels and messages. Next, you need to locate the specific message you want to respond to. Browse through your channels or direct messages to find it. Once you've found the message, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a series of icons will appear at the top right corner of the message. Among these icons, look for the three-dot button, which is typically referred to as the More Actions button. Click on this More Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. What you want to do here is click on Copy Link. This option allows you to copy the direct link to the message you're interested in responding to. It's a handy feature that enables you to share the message context without initiating a thread. Now, with the link copied, you can decide where you want to send your response. Locate the channel or the person you want to send this message to. This could be in a direct message or back in the channel where the original message was posted. Once you've decided where to send it, paste the link into the message box. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or if you prefer, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. By pasting the link, you are effectively referencing the original message without creating a thread. Now, you might notice that by pasting the link, it doesn't open up a new thread. The message link acts as a reference, allowing the recipient to click on it and view the original message in its context directly. And there you have it. By using the Copy Link feature, you're able to direct attention to a specific message without cluttering the conversation with additional threads. This method is particularly useful in fast-paced channels where keeping communication streamlined is essential. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.